Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open the Apple Store app or visit apple.com/orders while signed in. Locate your recent purchases page to view active orders. Find the order using the order number or the first item name displayed. Check the order status line carefully for shipping progress. If the status reads preparing or processing within 24 hours, cancellation is usually allowed. Note the original payment method shown on the order for refunds. Keep your Apple ID and password ready when you manage orders. Tap the order to open detailed information and choose Cancel Order if available. Confirm the cancellation when prompted and keep the confirmation email you receive. The email includes the order number and the refunded amount detail. Refunds return to the original payment method within 5-7 business days after cancellation. If you paid with gift card credit, the credit is restored instantly to your Apple ID balance. Contact Apple support with your order number if the cancel option is unavailable. If the item already shipped, you cannot cancel the shipment anymore. Instead, prepare to return the item within 14 days of delivery for a refund. Start a return from apple.com/orders and follow the provided steps to print the included return label. Pack the item securely in the original packaging before sending it back to Apple. Refunds are issued after Apple receives the item and processes the return in 5-7 business days. Keep your tracking number until the refund posts to your account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.